Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video and I'm super excited to bring you guys a Polygel nail tutorial today. And I'm super excited because this company is so amazing. They are based in the UK, the United Kingdom, so shout out to them. I hope one day I get to travel there. And that's besides the point, but here are some of the polygels that they sent over. I'm super blessed and grateful for them being so kind enough to send me over all these polygels. This brand is called GlowTips and they are cruelty free. They do ship over to the US if you're interested, and you just can't purchase their actual polygel kit, but you could purchase all their polygels on there. So it's definitely amazing, and honestly I really loved their polygels. They're very easy to work with, and I loved how they were honestly kind of like the Macart type of polygels, more on the stiffer side, which I absolutely love because it just gives you the ability to work a lot better with when the polygel is that way. And I absolutely love them. Super nice to work with, very doable, and you guys will see the whole process here. I'm just quickly swatching them all for you. I loved all these colors. They sent me like this nude collection that they had. I don't know if it's an actual collection, but all these polygels that they sent over are in the nude category, which I absolutely love nudes. So I decided to go for a marble look, of course, because I just couldn't incorporate one look. I just could not incorporate one color. I decided to mix about 4 or 5 colors together, and then I created a beautiful marble look that I absolutely loved. And I really missed doing my XXL nails. I had been doing for a while now, just more medium type nails, like medium to short, because I know not everybody is able to wear long nails or don't like long nails, so I try to incorporate a little bit of everything. But my heart definitely belongs to long nails. I love how long nails look on me, and I just love the aesthetic of them. I think they're so gorgeous, so beautiful, and I absolutely love square shaped nails. So these Eno Couture full coverage nails are the best thing in this planet. Personally, while I definitely have to go and stock up on these, you guys will see that I go back and reshape my nails always, but just they're just so perfect. The apex is amazing. They look so gorgeous, and the way that I blend them, you guys will see how these nails, you would never know that I did the lazy girl method on them. So I definitely have perfected the way to do it for it to look like I did them, from scratch, but I really didn't. And it's very easy, very effective, and not that time consuming. So yeah, this is actually a set of 8 polygels. I just went over on their website and double checked for you all, and this is a set of 8 polygels. Individually just sent to me, but no, this is an actual polygel set of polygels, which honestly it's a really great price because of the bottle sizes. They're literally 30 grams, you know what I mean? You get a lot of product and you get 8 polygels total, so you definitely can't go wrong with that. And I will have a discount code for you guys, linked down below in the description box. I'm just waiting for them to activate it. I had to go and contact them really quickly, but yeah, I love that they are cruelty free. They don't test on animals, so that is super important, because I don't know if you guys care or not, but that's something that you should always consider when purchasing any product, making sure that it is cruelty free and that no animals are getting harmed in the making of any products, because we want to be one with the animals and protect them. So anyways, moving on, you guys are seeing here how easy it is to work with these. They're very great. The consistency, the quality, the way that you could maneuver the polygel is just literally godly. And I decided to use some base coat as the slip solution. It's honestly my go-to. I love using base coat, but you guys could use alcohol, any type of alcohol. You could use an actual slip solution, or you can use base coat. It's all up to you, and whatever is your preference, whatever you think works best for you. So yeah, here I'm just doing the process, and the reason why I left the whole process is because I want you guys to just see how simple and easy it is to do your nails if you don't want to do them with the tips and actually build the nail, which is another way you can do it, and it's also an amazing way. And I'm definitely practicing behind the scenes on how to do that as well. But if you just don't want to take that long on your nails, or you're a beginner, or you just really like this method like I do, shout out to Femi Beauty for this method, just because I absolutely love it and I live by it. So definitely appreciate her for coming up with this method, and she does amazing work as well. I know that's random, but we are doing her method. So yeah, after I went with some alcohol and just removed the tacky layer off my nails, and now we're going in with the Melody Susie cordless drill, which is absolutely amazing. It's available on their site, and I'm going in, and here is where the magic happens. I really focus on the cuticle area, blending it very plushly and beautifully to the cuticle and the nail tip, because this is what's going to create that amazing look for them to look like actual acrylic nails. So you guys will see the end result and you can see for yourself what you guys think. But yeah, this is a very vital step. I never forget to do this part, because if you just apply them on, like, they won't, not that they'll look bad, but they're not gonna look plush like this. So I definitely love to go for this particular look. So yeah, I'm just focusing really well and really good in the cuticle area, being very safe with this, because remember, you could burn yourself. So never leave the drill for too long in one spot. Be continuously moving it around and being very aware of the cuticle area, because it's a very sensitive area and you don't want to cut or hurt yourself. So yeah, here you guys are just going to see the process in real time of me just going in and really perfecting that cuticle area, because that is what's going to make or break the look for me. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys thought about this particular look. Are you guys enjoying it? Do you guys like it? What do you guys think? What type of nails do you guys like to wear, or do you just like in general? Do you guys like short, medium, long, XL, XXL, or 5XL? I think now they have like 5XL full coverage nails. I literally haven't been on Nail Couture in a while. I definitely have to make a huge purchase from there, because they have so many new products that I have been wanting but I haven't purchased yet. I have to go and get like the 4XL nails, the 5XL. I saw some nails that are already pre-made that have like a black French tip. I have to get those. I have to get like all these other products that they have there. They definitely have amazing stuff, but I'm definitely getting off topic and I apologize for that. But yeah, these polygels are absolutely stunning, really easy to work with. There were some bubbles, but I think it was because I mixed the polygel, and sometimes that does happen. So you have to make sure to let the polygel set for a little bit, especially if you are mixing them like I am. Make sure to let it set even after you applied it onto the nail that you're working with, and then go in with your brush and start maneuvering the polygel from sidewall to sidewall, making sure that there are no negative spaces on the sides of the nail, because you don't want them to look messy. You want them to look nice and intact. You want him to have a very nice, clean, composed look. That's really important. And I also like that the ingredients are safe on the nail. So yeah, honestly, everything is really good. I have no issues. I didn't have any issues. I really appreciated the packaging, and I think my inspiration definitely had to have came from the packaging, because I liked how each individual polygel had like a marble look with the color on it to show you what type of color it is. They gave it like a marble effect. So I'm like, you know what, I have to do marble, because I just had to. So, and I thought they came out really pretty. Let me know what you guys thought. But yeah, I'm just super happy to be using my long nails again, because even though I'm gonna be removing these, they were only for video purposes, because I have so much PR to like literally create, and every day it's just like I continue to get more and more and more, so it's really hard to keep up, but I'm trying my best for you all. But yeah, and by the way, the two peel-off base coats that I recommend, and what a peel-off coat is if you don't want to wear them for very long, or you want to take them off right away. So it's really good if you're a content creator, or you just want to practice and remove them right after. I recommend UNT, really good one, and I also recommend the Vetsy one, which is really good. Those are the two main ones that I interchange between. So yeah, so now after I was done shaping, filing, and buffing the nails, I went in and applied one of my favorite top coats, which is the Nail Couture top coat. But yeah, now after I am finished, then after we're gonna go in and apply some Ina Couture cuticle oil. Absolutely love it. It's so moisturizing and the smell is just impeccable. So definitely recommend this cuticle oil. So good. So now I'm just going in and applying some cuticle oil, and I'm definitely the type of girl that I love to drench my nails in cuticle oil. Like, I am not afraid to waste my cuticle oil because that is a must, especially when you're taking pictures. What I personally like to do is I drench my cuticles in cuticle oil, and I do not touch them. I don't rub them in or anything. I just let them be, and it just gives it such a gorgeous, amazing look when you take pictures. So that is a tip if you guys didn't know so, or if you want your pictures to look better. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys thought. Absolutely love this set. But thank you guys once again for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you all. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and comment down below your thoughts and opinions on today's video. So thank you guys once again. I love you all, and I'll see you next time.